Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing our team members. My name is Naji Muhammad Al Hadi. My ID is CB23146. My role is project manager. And for the testing, we have Nora Amira. Her ID is CA23036. And for the programming, we have Nora Ainia Mirsha. Her ID is CA23019. And last but not least, we have the system analyst, Nora Adila Fatsilina. Her ID is CA22088. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naji Muhammad Al Hadi. My ID is CB23146. My role is as a project manager. I will present 3 points. The first one is the process model that has been chosen for our project. Second one is the process activities and deliverables. And last but not least, I will mention about reasons of choosing the process model. First of all, we chose the agile model in developing the BGMOL system since this considered as an e-commerce system, and BGMOL would be suitable. The incremental model would be suitable since this kind of e-commerce systems require new features by the technology is evolving and updating. Agile model would be a good choice in this case of evolving and adaptation to changes. Continuing with the process activities, and since BGMOL system is using incremental process model, these activities uh, will be uh, will be repeated in each increment and each version. Starting on with the requirement specification, before we start the developing the BGMOL system, we'll do some feasible study and whether we continue with this requirement and this budget and the budget and resources, and we can get the green light to start the development process. And before that, we will do some requirement gathering by the system analyst, where they gather all the functional and non-functional requirement and the domain requirement, which mean here in the business domain requirement. And the last thing that should be done is in the requirement specification is requirement validation, where we validate by the stakeholders of the BGMOL whether validate these requirement. Second is design and implementation. We will move this requirement and to design to more visualize and design system. We will design the architecture, including each component and interface and the data modelings and database regardless. Moving on to validation, we will verify that the system meets the requirement and meets the user satisfaction by doing some verification and validation activities. Second, we will perform some integration testing, perform system integration and user acceptance testing. Moving on to the evaluation, we will analyze the feedback and changes in the requirements so we can enhance for these updates. Second, we will do some refactor and improve the code to ensure the maintainability of the maintainability and accommodate the changes. Last but not least, we will continuously monitor the system performance with the user feedback to plan iterative improvement. These are the interaction styles that has been chosen by me. First of one is menu selection, where customer has the option to select the icon of a category and then select the desired category. The second one is form fill in, and the third one is direct manipulation, as will be illustrated in these coming images. Here in the menu selection, the customer, once the customer click on the icon of categories, variety of categories will show up, and also subcategories for each category. Second is form fill in. Here in the registration functionality, the user has to fill some data or credentials, here the email, name and phone, etc., in order to sign in. And here before the customer to check out, he or she has to fill in with their name and address information. And the last interaction style is direct manipulation, where customer can visualize the product itself by zoom in or zoom out or drag the product itself in order to check. Moving on to the factors influencing the confidence from the verification validation activities. First of all, we have software functions. Software functions here, it concerned about the criticality of the system itself to the company. And my role here as a project manager is to guarantee that this verification validation activities has been assigned for a good or experienced team, and this verification validation activities has given a sufficient time. Second of all is user expectation. Here we have to make sure that the system meets to meet the requirement. For example, when the user need to check out and make payment, the system should be reliable, and the user has to feel secure. And my role here as a project manager to do some rigorous role testing. Moving on to marketing environment, here is concerning about the fast delivery and of a specific functionality like registration and etc. And my role here as a project manager is to guarantee these functionalities has the expected quality by doing some risk management on them. Moving on with the example of a high critical functionality, here is the payment method, and my role as a project manager is to make sure this payment method has the right the right method has been chosen. For example, the FBX is one of the payment method, so I can buy this API or get this API for making payment.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuri Umairah binti Muhammad Nazri with the metric ID CA23036. My role is as a tester in this assignment, and I will be presenting about interaction style, factors influencing confidence from verification and validation activities, and lastly, factors that influence the software post-development dedicated to maintenance and cost factors. PGMall uses three interaction styles to ensure a seamless user experience. First of all is menu selection, form filling, and lastly direct manipulation. So menu selection is a list of categories displayed in the interface, form filling is a form that requires the user to fill in their details, and direct manipulation is elements that allows user to interact with the interface. With menu selection, users navigate through categories like electronics and women fashion to explore products easily. This provides broader options compared to typing into the search bar, helping users discover items from various brands and price ranges. Form filling is used for tasks like registration payment and shipping. For example, users input details like names and card numbers securely. This guarantees accuracy that makes shopping more efficient and personalized. Moving on to the last interaction style, which is direct manipulation. Direct manipulation allows users to interact with elements such as zooming in on images or reading reviews. This hands-on approach builds confidence in purchasing decision by providing detailed product information. Now, let's discuss three factors that impacts confidence in verification and validation activities, which is software function, user expectation, and marketing environment. So, starting with software function, making sure that the system's function is working smoothly and accordingly. Critical functions like payment processing require thorough testing. As a tester, I perform unit testing and system testing to ensure the transactions are secure and error-free, especially under high traffic. Next is user expectation, making sure the system meets or exceeds the user expectations. Users expect accurate search results and smooth functionality. Validation testing ensures the system meets this expectation, building users' trust and system confidence. And thirdly is marketing environment, targets to release product as soon as possible into the competitive marketing environment. Timely delivery is very essential. While critical features like payment processing undergoes detailed testing, less essential ones like product recommendation can be tested less rigorously to meet deadlines without compromising quality. So as a tester, I would have to differentiate between the functions that needs thorough testing and function that needs just a basic kind of testing in order to save time so that I'll be able to deliver the product within time and it's a quality product too. Let's move on to example of highly critical function, which is the user authentication and data security. As you can see, that is the login page where for a user authentication, where the user have to log in by using their email and password. And on the right is email that shows the PGMall website provides the one-time password to ensure that the actual user is requesting to change their account password. User authentication and data security are very critical. As a tester, I would conduct a rigorous security testing, including features like one-time password to prevent breaches and protect sensitive user information. This ensures trust and confidence in the platform. Lastly, I will be explaining about factors influencing post-development maintenance costs. So first, you have team stability, reducing cost and time by maintaining the same team in the software maintaining phase. Retaining the original development team reduces costs. For example, they can efficiently implement updates like interface changes on PGMall website because they are already familiar with the system, saving time and avoiding errors. Second is program age and structure. Program will be degrading over time, making it harder to make changes using the old code base. As programs age, their structure degrades, making updates harder. For instance, adding an AI chatbot for the PGMall website might acquire tools that is not compatible with the older code base, increasing time and cost to add that feature into the website. In summary, PGMall's website intuitive interaction styles, robust verification and validation processes, and efficient maintenance strategies ensure a reliable and user-friendly shopping experience. Thank you for tuning in. That is all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Aunumarisa binti Muhammad Amin with metric ID CA23019. My role in this project is as the programmer. I will be presenting on first, the case study, second, user interface, third, interaction styles, and fourth, factors influencing confidence from V&V activities. Now, let us jump to the first topic, the case study. Let us take a look at the background. PGMall is an online marketplace in Malaysia that offers a wide variety of products across multiple categories. PGMall is operated by Public Gold Marketing Sdn Berhad and aims to promote local Malaysian products and handicrafts globally. The platform is designed to support both consumers and merchants, providing a space for small and medium-sized businesses to grow their online presence without high costs. Next, the product range. PGMall showcases hundreds of thousands of products from various categories, making it a one-stop shopping destination. Customers can find items such as fashion accessories, electronics, home and living, health and beauty, kids and baby products, groceries, and many more. But PG Mall also faces some problems. The first, limited exposure for local businesses. Second, customers' trust. And lastly, diverse shopping options. But worry not, PG Mall has the solutions for all these problems. Firstly, support for merchants. PG Mall is committed to help merchants grow their businesses online. There are a few key features such as zero registration fee. This allows merchants to register without any initial costs. PG Mall also offers low transaction fees and marketing support with no additional charges. Second, secure payment options. PG Mall prioritizes security. This platform offers multiple secure payment methods, including instant online banking transfers from major Malaysian banks, allowing customers to shop with no worries. Lastly, wide product range. By offering products across multiple categories such as fashion, electronic, groceries, really shows that PG Mall meets the diverse needs of shoppers. Moving on, this is the research and data we found. As you can see from the analysis, PG Mall has seen significant growth in users since its launch, indicating increasing popularity among online shoppers. Now, we will explore the key interaction styles used in PG Mall to enhance user experience. We have three interaction styles. Firstly, direct manipulation that allow users to interact directly with on-screen objects. Second, menu selection, which is list of categories displayed in the interface. Lastly, command language that enables users to interact with a system by entering text commands. Direct manipulation refers to a type of user interaction that allows users to act on graphical objects on screen directly. The most used approach here is through dragging with a click. PGMall also enables users to click on images to view product details or drag items into the shopping cart. When a user wishes to add a product to their cart, for instance, they can just click the Add to Cart icon next to the image of the product. The interaction style makes the user's experience much more engaging and introduces an intuitive way to navigate. Next to the When it comes to menu selection, users engage with a list of options to navigate and make selections efficiently. This style helps users make choices from predefined options. PG Mall employs menu selection extensively in its category navigation. Users can select categories like fashion, electronics, or groceries from a drop-down menu or sidebar. This organized structure helps users to find products quickly and efficiently, improving the overall shopping experience. Quickly and Lastly, command language interaction allows users to input specific commands to perform actions. This style is often used in more advanced systems where users can type commands to navigate or execute functions. While PGMall mainly focusing on graphical user interfaces, it does include features for advanced users. Features like search functionalities where users can type specific queries or product codes directly into a search bar allow users to have a quick access to product without navigating through menus. Now, we will take a look at some factors influencing confidence from verification and validation activities. First, the thoroughness of testing. This is all about how well we test our software. The more we test, the more assurance we can get that it works as intended. As a programmer, I understand the value of catching bugs early. Running extensive tests such as unit tests and integration tests allows us to catch and correct bugs when they are small enough since it's easier. Higher code coverage means that we are verifying most of the code, which gives us a better chance of spotting any hidden bugs. Second, the stakeholder involvements. It is crucial to take feedback from all who are involved, including users, clients, team members, throughout the development process. By engaging stakeholders early and often, we can make sure that we are building something that will be useful to them. For example, in user acceptance testing, actual users test the software, tell me what they like and what should be improved. In addition, this feedback also allows I and the team to make necessary adjustments and to feel confident that we are on the right track. And lastly, the usage of automated testing tool which allows us to execute tests efficiently and repeat them without manual intervention. That means as a programmer, each time I modify the code, these tools help me run tests. That allows me to check for new bugs that might be introduced due to those changes. It's like an insurance policy that ensures that our software is working as we continue to build on top of it. Now, this is the example of a highly critical software function, payment processing system. Payment processing system is extremely crucial as it facilitates all the financial transactions customers make with the merchants. Imagine a customer is making a payment. If things go wrong at this point, like the payment doesn't go through or sensitive information gets into the wrong hands, it may lead to big problems such as financial loss or customer distrust. Given how crucial this function is, we need to be extra diligent with our V&V activities. There are several things to keep a close eye on. Firstly, accuracy. Every transaction must be processed correctly. Secondly, security. We have to protect sensitive data like credit card information from hackers and scammers. Thirdly, reliability. The system should work smoothly even when many people are using it at once. In summary, by focusing on thorough testing, involving stakeholders, and using automated tools, we can feel more confident in the software we deliver. The payment processing function is a perfect example of where we need to be especially careful to ensure everything runs smoothly.
My name is Nur Alika Fazlina bint Abdurrahman, Metri ID CA22088. I'm a system analyst. So today I'm going to present about introduction PGMO website, and then project Gantt chart, then interaction style and factors influencing confidence from VNV activities. So this is an objective of the PGMO portal. The first one is comprehensive platform. It offers a wide range of product for shoppers and sellers in one place. Then user-friendly experience, features and intuitive interface and smooth navigation for easy browsing and purchasing. Then we have here secure transaction that uses advanced encryption and trusted payment system to protect customer data and transaction. Then we have great deals. Sellers offer discount and promotion for competitive pricing. Then business expansion help merchants grow by reaching more customers. And then customer support is quickly resolves issues for buyers and seller to ensure satisfaction. Then support for local business. It provides a platform for small business to promote products globally and compete with larger companies. Then economic growth, encourage local business development and market expansion. Advanced tools, use data analytics, AI-driven recommendation and automation to enhance engagement, improve inventory management, and personalize shopping experience. Then beyond shopping, PGMO aims to be a trusted partner for business and reliable choice for global shoppers. Then global leader, it strives to become a leading online marketplace worldwide. Then continuous innovation adapts to the evolving needs of e-commerce to stay ahead. This is the info service of the PG Mall. So the first picture here, this is for the chat. We can chat with the customer service via live chat, and the second one is we can contact the customer service via phone and email. So the second one is the cross-border shopping. So this is an example, the cross-border shopping in the PGMO system. It can access to international products. So this is the secure payment option, and the second one is affiliate program. So this is an example of the secure payment option and affiliate program in the PGMO system. So here is the expectation of software engineering involvement. It's reliable and scalable. It's user-friendly design, strong security, improved shopping experience, and so on. So here is our Gantt chart of the project that we have done. So we have three interaction style. But the first one is question and answer interaction style. The second one is gamification interaction style, and the last one is multi-touch and gesture-based interaction style. This is an example for question and answer interaction style in PGMO system. So we can ask any questions here. For example, these questions, and this is the answer. Then for the product, for example this one, here we can choose how much gram, how much weight, width and size for our product that we want, and here we can choose any anything that we want, and here we can chat with the seller and ask any question to them. Like for example, okay, so this is a demo for gamification interaction style. So here we have a surprise box. Then we can just click this button, then the surprise will appear here. So we get a voucher for Ringgit Niaga Bookstore. This is the demo for multi-touch and gesture-based interaction style. So here we can scroll smoothly to browse the website. Then, for example, we choose this product. And here we can pinch to zoom and see the close-up for product details, product label here. And here we can just slide to see the different image for the product. This is the factors influencing confidence from VNV activities. The first one is test completeness and validity. Thorough VNV testing ensure PGMO features like payment processing and product search. So the second one is reliability of result. It's consistent with NV result and show PGML key features like login, payment, and order tracking work reliable across device. Then the last one is compliance with the expectation of stakeholders. It offers an easy-to-use interface for smooth shopping experience. And here, an example of highly critical function for secure payment processing in the PGML system. So we have here GrabPay, Boost, QRPay, Touch 'n Go, Visa, SIMB, RHB, and so on. So that's all from me. Thank you.